Whew, look at that view. Ha ha! This view, not so great today. What's that? Digital. Let's talk about what everybody came here to talk about, huh? All right, this is your favorite cryptocurrency. It's somebody. It's so much so a favorite. It's not even a crypto. It's in a class of its own. It's in a league of its own. This is Bitcoin on the daily chart, guys. Since we pumped back in February, y'all, 8 months, eight months ago, we pumped up to 7 months ago. We got to 73. It was a while ago. So, guys, since then we've been consolidating. You can freak out if you want. For instance, that's 33% down. That's not that crazy. That's on the low. That's on the wick of this day here, this low day on August 5th. We really went down to 49 too. Okay. And but truly, really, rectangle. We are in this zone. I have a diagonal. Ignore it, even though it did respect the price action, respected the diagonal. It is broken above it. Let's see if we can bounce off it. I don't care so much about diagonals. Why? I'll tell you why. Because here's why. Here's your diagonal, right? All right. So this blue line, that's the diagonal. So this price action might touch this diagonal and then come back. Well, guess what? Was it really the diagonal that it touched? Or was it this horizontal level here, right? Boom, resisted, broke above it, couldn't stay above, boom, came out, whoa, resisted again, finally got back and crushed above it, now we're coming back. That seems more important to me than this diagonal. But either way, you can do both, and if there is a confluence of, say, the diagonal and the horizontal and these moving averages all at the same time, and we like in the technical analysis land, we like confluence. We love it. Seriously. So, yeah. We're going sideways, guys. Now, the election's coming, all this shit. Doesn't matter. All freaking noise. Let's hit this to weekly, just to consolidate everything here. It's a little too much history. All right, so guys, here's previous all-time high area. I mean, this doesn't make I don't have great vision. Regardless if it's exactly within whatever this peak here, we are consolidating more or less at the previous all-time highs. We're doing it at the right time. The halving was roughly in this area right here. I mean, the halving season, what was it, April? It's around 420 or some shit. Let's say, I can't remember what it was. Let's call it April. It was like, no, was it in May? Was it in April? Let's call it April 15th. That's the tax day, whatever the hell. Halving was more or less around this level here. And it's been a while since the halving. 196 days. Whatever. What is that? 6 months or so. So, guys, patience. Patience is a virtue. In this country, patience is a virtue, and in the entire world. But yeah, Solana, one of my faves, one of my darlings. So yeah, we have So sue me, Billy. We have diagonals right here. Don't ask. I've never done this before. I thought it just kind of looked cool to have two lines, so I did it. And since, let's say, back in March, it's been kind of it doesn't really like this. It doesn't really like getting above this some down sloping level of resistance here. These lower highs. So but it also has higher lows, and let's just see what happens. This is a say continuation pattern. It's a huge bull flag pennant, if you want to call it that. It is a triangle either way that is continuing, and usually in a continuation pattern, after the pattern plays out, it usually doesn't play out. It usually doesn't take the entire triangle for the move to happen and for this pattern to play out. That is a scientific fact. So, are we going to resist here and come here and do this move all the way to the end? Probably not. We're probably going to be like, maybe creep up in here, not make it. Oh, it's done. Come back to here, come back to here. Real quick, maybe a little, maybe a quick little drop off here. Then back, then back, then back. So we'll see what happens. This is a cup and handle. This is a cup and handle on a large time frame. Guys, the longer the time frame, i.e. weekly, the longer the time frame, the stronger the signal, the bigger the move. All right, the stronger the signal, the bigger the move. All right, it ain't algorithmic. Okay, maybe it is. Shit, no. It ain't. No, well, maybe it is. No, I don't think it is. Maybe it ain't. Maybe it is. Maybe it ain't. Maybe you are. Maybe you are. You are. Guys, if you can't tell, the bull market's got me a little jacked up. And that could also be that caffeine and nicotine and cocaine. I'm just kidding, y'all. This is a family channel, family environment. This show is suitable for children of all ages. We are not doing drugs. There are no drugs that have been consumed today, as far as we know. Oh, as far as we know, man. As far as we know, I can't call it. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, I can't call it, man. Yeah.